Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you the easy way how to install Kodi Nexus to your Firestick or Android TV. Kodi is a very popular live TV player, and that's probably the main reason why you want to install Kodi to your Firestick. And without any further ado, let me show you how to get Kodi on your Fire TV Stick device. First of all, you'll have to get an app called Downloader. You can get it for free from the official Amazon App Store. Just go to search on your device. Here it is. And here in the search bar, we have to type Downloader. Usually, there's even no need to enter the whole name of the app because it already popped out for us at the bottom. Click on Downloader. And that's the application which you need to download to your device. However, it's not over yet. We still have to set it up. To do so, we'll go to Settings, go to My Fire TV. And here we have to enable developer options on our device. However, on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new ones, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, don't worry, it's really easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to click on the middle button on your remote for 7 times, and do it fast. So let's do it. As you can see, now the bottom says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. In your case, it's going to say that you have become a developer now. And if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options. Open them, make sure to enable ADB debugging, then you gotta go to install unknown apps, and here you have to turn that option on for the downloader. So what it does is going to allow us to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily from the official Amazon App Store, and that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now let's go to the list of apps on our device. Here we go. And here we already have the downloader. However, before actually using the downloader, there's one more thing which I really recommend doing. It's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast. They got a great application for Fire Sticks or any other device you may use because you can set up NordVPN on your phone, your laptop, your tablet, your Android TV, or pretty much any other device you may have. And it's really not expensive for such a premium VPN service. So what I do in a NordVPN app, I just select any location, connect, and from the moment we are connected, all our internet traffic is encrypted, which means nobody can snoop on us or track us. And from that moment, your internet provider does not know what apps you are downloading from the internet or what IPTV service you are watching, which is extremely important to stay out of trouble online. And if you are interested in getting a VPN, I do have a special deal for you. If you use my promo link, which will be in the pinned comment below this video, you'll get 4 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing deal. So go get that deal and then use Downloader safely. So now we'll open the Downloader application, and here in the search bar we have to type kodi.tv and then click on Go. Then Kodi website is going to load. We have to click on that sandwich button right here and then go to the download page. Here it is. Click on it. Then scroll down a bit, and here we have to select our platform as Android because Firestick OS is based on Android. Click on Android, then scroll down a bit, and for Firesticks usually you have to use the ARM v7a version. Click on it, and now the download has started. Usually it does not take long, but of course it all depends on your internet connection speed. Click on Install in the right bottom corner, and now the app is being installed to your device. Then after the app has been installed, do not press on Open yet, instead click on Done. And here we'll have an option to delete the installation file because we do not need it anymore. So click on Delete and delete once again. Now let's go to the list of apps on your device. Here it is, click on it. Scroll down, and here's the Kodi app which we just installed. I recommend you to click on the Options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines, and then click on Move to Front. This way Kodi is always going to be at the very top of your app list, and it will be very easy to access Kodi every time you need it. Then once again, do not forget to use a VPN when streaming something online to stay out of trouble. And once again, my promo offer is going to be in the pinned comment below. Use it to get 4 months of NordVPN for free. And then safely open Kodi and set it up by using instructions of your IPTV provider. That's it. If the video was helpful, make sure to click on the like button so more people will see it as well. And see you next time. Bye bye.